Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Jo and this is Joey Sewy, and today I'm somewhere a bit different in my sewing room because I have a once in a lifetime event to share with you. So I was going to start this video by saying I'll probably get interrupted because it's the school holidays and I was trying to film without letting anyone know. That didn't even get as far as turning the camera on. So I have a co-star.
Yeah.
It's Felix. I know there's a lot of Felix's fans out there, so you're getting a dose of Felix today. But the once in a lifetime event is not me getting interrupted because that's a once in daytime, if not once in an hour event. The once in a lifetime event is I've got a new sewing machine and it's so exciting. Woo! I have never ever bought a sewing machine before. Yes, I've had sewing machines, but I've always acquired sewing machines. Felix is pointing to the desk where the sewing machines. It's not over there, it's in the box behind us.
That's the box. But
that's the desk.
You said that was the new one.
No, that one over there, which you're not going to see, that one's older than me. So I explained in a previous video how I came to buy a new sewing machine right now in my life, and also how come I've never bought a sewing machine before. Basically birthday presents or been given ones from other people, but this time
you bought it yourself.
I have bought it myself. So I thought I would share the unboxing with you. So that is what we're going to do in this video. As you can see from the box, it is a Bernina. And again, I explained in the previous video, which I will link, how I went through the choice process. The first thing to say about this is that it's not new. It is a reconditioned Bernina. So it's about 4 years old. And I did that because I was buying from the people who have serviced my sewing machine for years. They've looked after this. It actually belonged to the shop assistant, so I know it's been looked after, and I've had reconditioned machines before, and if you're buying from a dealer who's looked after them, they're as good as new, and they're also about half the price, which is what this was. This has still cost me a lot of money. This machine has cost me, close your ears, £900. £900 for a second-hand sewing machine. No wonder I'm only going to do this once in my life.
Like, even though it's old and it's a dealer, it's a dealer thing. Obviously, it's going to be because they deal with sewing machines. They know how to keep good care of it, so it's going to be in good condition.
Exactly. So I bought this from my local sewing shop. Which is called.
It's not that local.
It's not that local. Nothing's that local. No. It's called the Superior Sewing Centre in Carlisle, and as Felix wisely said, if they're a dealer of sewing machines and if they service sewing machines, they know what they're doing. So it's not like I bought it off eBay, which you can do as well. It's just that I'm not sure I would feel comfortable spending that much money on a second-hand machine if I didn't know where it had come from.
I like
this too. So it's a Bernina machine, but it is in its box, and so we can unbox it, and that's what we're going to do. So here is the box.
I don't like the sound of cardboard, but it's great.
So it's exactly as it would be when it was brand new out of the box. I'm just going to move the camera.
Oh no, the dreadful styrofoam.
I'm going to move.
Styrofoam? I hate styrofoam. Why styrofoam?
Right. Let me just see what's in shot.
I'm in shot.
So I've moved the camera a little bit closer, and I literally haven't unboxed this. I have seen the machine because I tried it in the shop, but I haven't seen all the bits and pieces.
I'm gonna go up the room because I don't like the sound of styrofoam.
All right then. So we've lost him.
Well, I'm gonna come back.
I've got an instructional DVD. My model number is 530. I don't even know that. I should know that. Yeah, we'll find out in a minute. Or it might be the B580. We'll find out in a second. I have the instructional DVD. I have a power cable.
I decided to stay.
You decided to stay. You do surprise me. I have, this is, so one of the reasons why I went for a reconditioned one as well is because actually it comes with quite a few extras that the person who used to own it had bought, and they wouldn't have been included in the price of a new one, as well as a new one being about twice the price.
So like basically they added on stuff to the sewing machine that you can do, and then you don't have to pay for that stuff because it's just already on it.
Exactly that, yes.
Yeah.
So this is one of the additions that the previous owner had bought, which is the table that goes to make the working area on the sewing machine bigger. And I was told that this part is about £100.
Nice.
So that's a saving.
Yeah.
Straight away I was convincing myself about how much I was saving money by spending money.
Nice table.
Nice table. Whoa, bedtime reading. Okay, so it's the Bernina 560 I have because it says so on the manual.
Bernina,
So-
wait.
Felix will hold it up for you.
Bernina 560.
There you go. A weighty tome. I assume it's in, it's all in English. My goodness, there's a lot to learn.
There is.
That was something I really wasn't looking forward to
There's
about
not-
getting the
there's-
new machine. I don't want to have to learn how to use it. I knew how to use my old machine without even
That's-
thinking about it.
That's over 150 pages
Yeah.
to learn.
Yes.
And there's probably about 2 steps on each page.
Yeah, thanks. He's just terrifying me. Okay, manual.
Oh, terrifying.
This, which I had on my old machine and I never used, it is a lever, a knee lift lever for the presser foot. That looks like it's a standard accessory. Okay, styrofoam sound. Oof. Okay.
I only like it. I only don't like it as styrofoam because against styrofoam.
Next
It's
we
like a-
have got,
It's
it
like
comes, all
Hey.
Berninas come
Ah.
with a fancy little cabinet. So
Oh,
let me show
that's
you that a little bit closer.
Can I see it?
So, ooh, in shot. There you go, it's reflecting the ring
That's
light.
pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. So it holds all the feet and the gubbins.
So it basically holds everything you need
It's got
to do
feet
the
up
actual
here, it's
sock.
got spare bobbins up here. It opens like that. It's got little drawers.
It's basically like being a giant.
It's like being a giant.
And then
And this is a miniature wardrobe.
I bet that could be an action figures bathroom cabinet if you change some of those
It
things.
could, yeah. But I'm keeping it for my sewing machine, so
Yeah,
it's
I
not
know.
going to be.
Yeah, I know.
So
it could be.
there are a couple of things in here that aren't standard from memory. The first is something I really wanted, and again, being a Bernina, it was a really expensive accessory. It's this.
Ooh, what's that for?
That is a straight stitch plate, and
Cool.
it has a tiny hole for the needle and these long lines for the feed dog, so you fit that onto the plate. Mind the camera.
Yeah, I am.
It fits
It's
that onto
cool.
the plate of the machine, and if you're using fine fabrics, the small hole means that less is likely to go through it.
That's
You'll be
pretty
seeing
cool.
better if you go over there.
That's
So that
pretty cool.
accessory I think was also about £65. I was warned that Bernina accessories are super expensive,
So yeah,
but I didn't need to buy that one.
because they're all in here.
And what else is in here? Various feet. I think that is the buttonhole foot. There
That
we
is-
go.
Maybe. Probably.
That is the buttonhole foot. Spare bobbins. I bought 5 more bobbins in the shop. We've got a foot there, which I think that is a free motion embroidery, edge stitch, zipper, and what's that one? I don't know what that one is. I'll have
don't
to
know?
find out. No, I don't.
Somebody tell us.
An open toe foot there. And then what's in here?
Stuff.
Screwdriver, seam ripper,
Ooh,
and a foamy thing.
foamy
Right.
thing.
So, pretty
Yes,
cabinet.
foamy thing.
And that comes with all Berninas, with your various accessories in there.
There's the actual sewing machine next.
There is the actual sewing machine.
But there's
Nearly. So,
Nearly.
what else is in this box?
This.
Let's
This
show
thing.
people inside the box. Hang on a second. So, inside the box
That's the sewing
is the
machine.
machine. There we go.
This thing,
And
whatever
there
it
is
is.
a bag. So we're going to lift that out now. Okay.
That's stuff. That is not coming out. That is not coming out. Yeah, it's very stuck.
No, it's just stiff. Hang on.
Ah!
There we go.
Oh, cool.
It's a travelling bag for the machine when it goes on holiday.
Well, you could take it on holiday now, plug it in at your hotel or something.
Totally could.
That's so cool.
Yeah, you really wouldn't complain if that's what I did on holiday.
Yeah.
So,
seriously,
we're going to lift out the machine.
Oh gosh.
And it is quite heavy.
That's not the same.
That's the foot. So there's the foot.
That's the foot.
And it has, turn it over, Felix. It has a little thing at the back to wind the cable on to keep it neat. Although to be fair, it
It also says it's Bernina.
It does.
It says Bernina.
It's
Bernina.
yes. I'll never use that because it'll be underneath the desk all the time, plugged in. But anyway, when it's in its box or when it's going on its holidays, I'll use that.
You will take it.
Right. We're gonna lift it up.
The first.
Oh.
That's the machine, isn't it? That's the machine.
So there it is. There it is.
This is
the Bernina 560. And we know it's a 560 because I can now zoom in on the model number.
There's a whole load of buttons.
It's a computerized machine, so it won't show anything on the screen until you turn it on. It has a speed control, which is here, that Felix was just doing. It has all sorts of features. I'll probably do you a tour of the features.
And then you can make it do like really slow if you do something.
And one of the reasons why I got that, Felix, is because when you and Bertie are sewing with me, my old machine had a speed control, and it's really useful because it stops you from sewing my fingers. Yes. So that is the machine. And for today's video, that is actually where I'm going to leave it. I will do a follow-up video when I've worked out how on earth to work the machine. So me and Felix and new machine say thank you very much for watching, and we will be back, or I will, and it is the summer holidays, so probably him too.
Maybe Bertie might come.
Or we could lock the door. I could lock the door and barricade myself in here.
But there's no lock on the door.
What I'm really going to do is just let them go on the Xbox and then sneak in here. We'll be back. It might be me.
I do Minecraft on there.
Somehow, I will try and film videos over the summer. Don't know how that's going to work. But for now, goodbye. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're enjoying your sewing today. Bye.